Today I'm taking the VEVOR 24-inch chain wrench. So you can see we got a nice, very heavy-duty chain on here. It does have an oil coating on it, so we don't have to worry about this thing showing up rusty, and it moves very nicely. It does appear to be an all-steel handle. It says no hammering, no extension. So basically, whatever force you can put on this is the extent that you want to be able to put on here. And you can see the claws where it's actually going to grab onto that chain. So that does fall off easily, and it actually holds on fairly easily too. So I had this on here and I was kind of moving it around. It doesn't really fall off. Not really how it's designed to be used. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to wrap this around something, get it so that it is as tight as you can get it. And then whenever you crank on it, that chain is going to force it against these teeth. So that's going to be what gives you the friction so that you can actually break that guy loose. It does have a hole in the back so you can hang the guy up. And we have got a fairly long chain on here. It's a little bigger than 6 inches. I think we're looking at about 7 inches. But as you can see, we still got plenty of chain on. All we got to do is get that locked on, and we can pry that off. That is so easy. Way easier than what I was doing with other filter wrenches. It does chew up that thing a little bit, but that's okay. This guy off, and change out that filter. So it is way overkill for filters, but if you're looking at reliably holding onto a pipe or anything round, this is going to be an excellent option for that.